I was born in the parlour of the Brazen Head in the winter of '49, and the landlord smiled and he drank to the child, never thought about calling time. 4 in the morning, whiskey still pouring, and they called it wetting his head. And the mother cried in spite of her pride for her other little mouth to be fed. And they raised me in the back street, they taught me how to fight. Dublin in the 50s, they taught me wrong from right. 7th son of a working man, it was always gonna be tough. And my father worked every hour he could, but he still wasn't making enough. And he worked from Monday morning, and he worked till Sunday night. And he worked so that the children might have a better life. And he kept inside his waistcoat a photo of his wife. And as she cried on the night he died by the blade of a fisherman's knife. Oh. I was just 18 when the work was lean and they shut down the factory floor. So I left my home and all that I owned, sailed for the Liverpool shore. And they gave me a shovel, a mountain of gravel, and they paid me a minimum wage. And the foreman smiled as I worked that pile, I was strong for a boy my age. And I got myself a pay rise, got myself a bride, a son and then a daughter, filled my heart with pride. And we made our home on the Scotland Road in the heart of a city so fair. But I kept my ways from the Dublin days and the hard way living back there. And I worked from Monday morning and I worked till Sunday night. And I worked so that my children might have a better life. And I kept inside my waistcoat a photo of my wife. Then one day in the month of May, another little baby arrived. Then in '84 there was work no more for a man with a labourer's trade. And they came one day with a severance pay and took away my shovel and spade. Well, it's not too bad for a Dublin lad when he knows how to muscle and grind. Little mouths to feed and a wife to keep, and the work's pretty easy to find. So I got some lads together and I told them of my plan. Come next Monday morning we were loading up the van. And I took my share but I paid them fair, and we always penny a glass. And the work came in and I got more men and I got me a fancy new house. And they worked from Monday morning and they worked till Sunday night. And they worked so that their children might have a better life. Still kept inside my waistcoat a photo of my wife. I left my trade with a fortune made and the scarf of a fisherman's knife. Take your time and think on it. What you feel is right. Is there substance in a love affair that always is a light? Holding on will break you, but you hold on, God knows why. For the love you find eluding you will be there in your when your heart is aching for a smile to keep you warm, and your tears flow down like bitter rain. Remember there's an anchor on every troubled ship, and a harbor in my heart to ride the storm. And it's not for want of trying that you search for parts of gold, but the fickle fingers twist into your life, take a hold through all the lonely hours when your heart is very low. There's a light that keeps on glowing deep inside your soul. When your heart is aching for a smile to keep you warm, and your tears flow down like bitter rain, remember there's an anchor on every troubled ship, and a harbor in my heart to ride the storm. When your tears flow down like bitter rain, come to my harbor in my heart, in my heart. When your heart is aching for a smile to keep you warm, and your tears flow down like bitter rain, remember there's an anchor on every troubled ship, and a harbor in my heart to ride the storm. Remember there's an anchor on every troubled ship, and a harbor in my heart to ride the storm. Last night I dreamed you were back again, larger than life again, holding me tight again, placing those same kisses on my brow, sweeter than ever now. Lord, I remember how, couldn't get enough of kissing. Do you know just what you're missing? No, you don't, but I do. Days like a slow train trickle by, even the words that I write refuse to fly. All I can hear is your song haunting me, can't get the melody out of my head, you see. Distractions I've been using. Do you know just what you're losing? No, you don't, but I do. Oh, I do. I wonder if I'm past the point of rescue. It's no word from you at all, the best that you can do. Never meant to push and shove you. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't, but I do. swore I'd never fall like this again. Fools like me never win. Come to my knees again. Can't close the door on my heart loving you. Things might be just as good. I always believe they would. Gotta let your love invite me. Baby, do you think it might be? No, you don't, but I do. Oh, I do. I wonder if I'm past the point of rescue. It's no word from you at all the best that you can do. Never meant to push and shove you. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't, but I do. Oh, I do. I wonder if I'm past the point of rescue. It's no word from you at all the best that you can do. Never meant to push and shove you. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't, but I do. I know you don't, but I do. I know you don't, but I do.